Power BI. Connecting and shaping data. In the lesson we will connect to source files and cover some of the most common techniques for extracting, cleaning and shaping data to prepare it for modeling and analysis. Here is the contents for this session. First, data connectors. Second, Power Query Editor. Third, the Query Editor. 4. Connection modes. Data connectors. Power BI can connect to virtually any type of source data as below. 1. Flat files and folders, CSV, text, XLSX, etc. 2. Database, SQL, Access, Oracle, etc. 3. Azure, Azure SQL, etc. 4. Online service, SharePoint, GitHub, Dynamics 365, Google Analytics, etc. 5. Other, datasets, web feeds, etc. Power Query Editor. Power Query Editor backend, where raw data is extracted, transformed and loaded to the front end. Using query editing tools, query pane, formula bar, table preview, table name, and applied steps. Query editing tools. The Home tab includes general setting and common table transformation tools. The Transform tab includes tools to modify existing columns, splitting or grouping, transposing, extracting text, etc. The Add Columns tools create new columns, based on conditional rules, text operations, calculations, dates, etc. Basic table transformations. Connection modes. Power BI Desktop supports several types of storage and connection modes. 1. Import. Tables are stored in memory within Power BI and queries are fulfilled by cached data, default. 2. Direct query. Tables are connected directly to the source and queries are executed on demand at the data source. 3. Composite model. Table come from a mix of import and direct query modes or integrate multiple direct query tables. 4. Live connection. Connect to pre-published Power BI datasets in Power BI Service or Azure Analysis Services. Any information, please check more address here. Connection to database. Go to Demo. First go to Power BI application, select Get Data, choose database types and click Connect. Going to Pasts data into a blank table. Add name of server, database name and choose Import and click OK. Page Navigator is alert. Tick on User Info, Departments, and click Transform Data. Then you will get the two of queries User Info and Department as you can see in the video. Extracting data from the web. Go to see the demo. First going to the address Wikipedia. And copy address. Then go to Power BI. Choose Others, select on Web and click OK. You will get one page alert from Web and click Past to the box of URL and click OK. Page Navigator is alert. Tick on Table 2, click Transform Data. Then you will get one more data from Web of Queries as you can see in the video. Connecting and shaping data. We'll see you again on next session. 1. Data QA and profiling. 2. Table transformations. 3. Calendar tools. 4. Combining queries. Thank you.